What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. I have an exciting video for you today. We're doing BJ's Wholesale Club for the first time. I'm Paul and you are watching the Deal Finder. Today's video, we have the top clearance products available here at BJ's Wholesale Club. In front of us, the Westinghouse 24-inch Roku Smart TV, 720p, $30 off the tag, $69.99. To my left, we have their big brother, $60 off the price. Check this out, also 720p. Unfortunately, these are not 4K or full HD, but the price is pretty nice, $89.99. If you need a smaller TV, BJ's does have a great variety of smaller TVs. If you want 4K or a full HD, they have that available as well. Here we have the Philips 32-inch HD Roku Smart TV, $30 off at $119.99. Great options. Come down, check them out. If you want to follow along, BJ's has an amazing app, much better interface than Costco at the moment. Here we have the Vizio Smart TV, HD LED, $25 off, $94.98. If you do enjoy today's video, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. That way I know you enjoyed today's video and I can add it to the lineup. It lets me know that you like it, and now I can continue to adding BJ's to the series. Now, if you do want to follow along, friends, head over to bjs.com, or you can pull the app up on your smartphone. Every item in today's video you can view on the app or the website interface, either or. You can check your inventory at your local warehouse, and a lot of these products you're able to ship right to your front door, even though they're still on clearance, which is pretty awesome. Now let's get into the video. Here we go. And directly in front of us, we have the Disney Junior Play Tent. You're going to be astonished by this price. Schoolhouse Play Tent. All you got to do is twist it, pop it, and it allows for easy setup, super fast setup. And it's great for the ages of 3+. It does include that play tent, $14.98. Nice price deduction here. And out to my left, we have the popular Coco Melon, the electronic play mat, or the learning mat, shall I say. Pretty nice product here, very cheap. This is great for the ages of 3+. It includes that electronic learning mat. It does include one bonus accessory, which is one coloring book and 2 erasable markers. And I did pick this up myself, but I didn't get the coloring book or the markers. But at this price point, that's okay, $7.98. Now, we do have a lot of toys available on clearance here at the warehouse. I'm not going to go through them all because some people will get bored by it and switch off, and that's the least thing I want to do at the current moment. I'm going to show a couple more toys and then we'll move on. We have the Discovery toy here. This is their Mind Blown, the Bionic Hand. Pretty cool product. Look at that. Looks very fun. Great for the ages of 8+. Has their interactive STEM learning design to it. Also, you can use this with your left or your right hand, so that's pretty cool. If you're lefty, no problem. I like it a lot. Now, this does have a DIY hydraulic build kit to it. It's priced at $11.98. And just below, we have the Nano Crafts, pretty popular product on YouTube and TikTok. This is their deluxe Nano Design Studio Kit. Has the nano tape, arts and crafts, 50+ pieces. You can see there right on the front box, TikTok and YouTube, as seen on it. Very viral. Great for the ages of 5 through 7. 50+ pieces. Pretty easy to do. Simple steps here. It does include 12 straws, 15 bags of mix-ins, and 14 rolls of tape. $11.98. Check out that discount. Also, right around the corner for our little ones, for the ages of 3+, we have the friction trucks, the friction toy cars. You put them on the ground, you pull them back, and they zoom away. Here they are. We have 3 different variants. They come in a 3-pack. We have the first responder to my right. In the dead center, we have your heavy-duty equipment, your ramp trucks with your front-end loader, and then to the left, we have the garbage truck with the school bus and the fire truck. Pretty nice kit here, pretty nice pack. They have powered lights and sounds. Those are $12.99. And here we have the Spider-Man. So with this Spider-Man, you pull it out of the box. It has the outline, but it's not colored. They give you a bunch of stickers. You can overlay it, pretty much do the design and color it the way you want or the way your child wants. It'll keep them busy for a few hours. Pretty cheap, very cheap, only $5.98. That's a pretty good deal. Hopefully, we'll keep your little one somewhat busy. And then we have these pullback trucks, the friction trucks, $12.99, like I did mention. Let's move along. Something besides toys, keep everyone happy. That's about enough of that. We also have some nice powered speakers available here at BJ's as well. Now, when you do come across these areas at BJ's, when they kind of have all the clearance stuff piled up, like one piece here and one piece there, these are just the leftovers. Most likely, some of these products you won't see online. Here we have the Tramontina 10-piece set. Pretty nice set. They have the blue and they also have the white. The white's on clearance and it was as well as the blue. I did price check it. Here it is, $30 off the price, only $69.98. Also, to my left, we have a BJ's exclusive from Charbroil. Pretty nice grill here, I must admit. Full stainless, has nice LED illuminated knob controls as well. Now, it doesn't look much in the box, but when it's all assembled, put together, it looks not bad, especially for the price. Pretty nice, 10,000 BTUs. You get the cover. It's pretty nice here, $60 off. Now, this is not a clearance product. It's just on sale, $299.88. And one thing I do love about BJ's is we often see a lot of name brand products. This is one of them from Mophie. We have their fast wall charging port here. It's their speed port, 120 watt travel charging bundle. Pretty nice set here. It's a travel kit. It's still a little bit expensive, but it's on clearance. And I love this brand. It's a very good brand, Mophie. They make great chargers. These are some other items from them, but it's not on clearance yet. This travel charging bundle set is on clearance, $69.98. Let me zoom in. They are taking $20 off, $69.98. And our next product from Playmate, we've seen this at Costco before. It's available here at BJ's as well. We have the Igloo Cool Tunes here. Now this is the one with the built-in speakers. You can see it there. These have 5-watt passive speakers. It's a 14-core capacity, and we still have a few left at my warehouse. It does include a nice 3-foot USB charging cable. Pretty nice here. The colors are definitely a vibe if you like that. $54.98. So to my right, we have the coffee machine from Nespresso. You can do them both with this. You can do coffee or espresso. When it comes to coffee, you can do 5, 8, or 18 ounces. When it comes to espresso, you can do 1.35 or 2.7 ounces. $30 off the price, $119.98. Also, just around the corner on display, we have the Panasonic microwave. Now, this is an exclusive BJ's product for BJ specifically. It's compact, it's 1,100 watts. It's a countertop microwave from Panasonic, 1.3 cubic feet. Here it is, looks amazing, that beautiful stainless steel bezel to it, glass front. It does include a nice turntable, 12.4-inch glass turntable. Also has 7 auto cook menu functions. Even though we don't see a price deduction on this, it is on clearance at $129.99. Now, I did mention in the beginning of the video that every product you see in today's video should be able to be viewed at bjs.com. I was mistaken. I did spot one here that I couldn't find. We have the Keurig K Slim. This is a single-serve coffee maker with 3 different brew sizes. Nice, sleek design, 46-ounce reservoir, 50% off at $49.98. You can pick it up at Costco, excuse me, not at Costco, on Amazon for $89.95, and that's on sale. Another great awesome clearance product, this time from Anchor. We have their 4-piece True Lock bacon set. Here it is, one on display. Actually, not one on display. We have a few left here. Now, it does include the carrying case, so I had to open it up so we can take a look at it. So we get this 3-quart bacon sheet that's glass. Comes with a lid. Also comes with a hot and cold pack that's included in the set. Just in case you're going to make something, take it with you on the go. You can use that hot or cold pack. Pretty awesome set here. Goes for $37 on Amazon. Here at BJ's on clearance, only $14.98. And then to my left, we have another set from Anchor Hawking, except this is not on clearance, but it is on sale. I might as well show it since it's a great price. 33% savings today. It's a 30-piece glass food storage set. It comes with a snug fit lids, clear, oven safe up to 425 degrees. Nice set here, 33% off, $10 savings, bringing the price down to $19.99. So we all know Costco has Kirkland, but here at BJ's, they have Berkeley and Jensen. Now this is a 12-piece Smart Seal container set. Nice set, great reviews. Pretty nice product, very cheap for what it is, on clearance. Now, what do you get? You get a set of 12, so you get actually 12 containers. That's an amazing deal here. Great price, on clearance, BPA free, airtight, has a nice turn knob on it, so that's pretty nice. $29.98, and you get 12 pieces. And then to my right, we have also a couple of products from Sur La Table on clearance. We have their 5-piece German steel knife set here right in front of us. We have 2 different color variants. We have the black handles and we have the white handles. A 5-piece set. We get 4 knives and we get that magnetic knife stand. So pretty nice set here. We get 1 8-inch chef knife, a 7-inch nakiri knife, an 8-inch bread knife, and a 3.5-inch paring knife. Also has that magnetic beechwood knife stand. So you just slap the knife right to it. It's magnetic. Very nice set here on clearance. $50 off, so it is 50% off. $49.98. And towards the bottom, we have the Sur La Table 5.5 quart enamel cast iron Dutch oven. Pretty nice looking product here. Oven safe up to 500 degrees, and the lid is oven safe up to 450 degrees. Heavy duty cast iron, nice wide handles, induction safe as well. Looks pretty nice. I did purchase the Tramontina Dutch ovens last year, and they're chipping all over the place. Let me know if you have that same problem, so I may try this out at $39.98. Our next product from Hamilton Beach is just a instant savings product. It's not on clearance, but it's 25% off. It's their professional 4-slice digital air fryer oven. This is super compact. I did want to show how small it was. It's so small, it's cute. I do love that thick pro handle look on the front of it. Looks pretty nice. Now this is from Hamilton Beach. Nice, crisp. Pretty great reviews on it, figuring how compact it is. If you are in the market for a real small compact air fryer, have a look at this one. It's still a little bit expensive for what it is, but not bad at all. $89.99. We get a $30 discount here. Instant savings. Manufacturer clipless coupon. Now, Costco's not the only one that sells DeWalt tools. They have them here at BJ's as well. We have the DeWalt mechanic tool set. Now, it does come with a tough system tray. This is a 131-piece mechanic tool set here. You get the 1/4-inch drive, you get 3/8 drive, and you get the ratchet that's included. 70-tooth count ratchet. So, pretty nice set here. On clearance, they're taking $20 off the price, bringing it down to $79.98. Now, just up ahead from First Alert, we have their Easy Fire Spray that does come in a 2-pack. Now, this does stop fire pretty quickly. It'll knock it down. If you have a small little kitchen fire, no problem. It should knock it down fairly simple. As long as it's not too big, obviously. It's more effective than traditional fire extinguishers on common household fires. You get a 2-pack here. They're pretty easy to clean up. If you break out the extinguisher, your house will be a mess. Now, these are non-toxic, biodegradable, so they are worth buying. So keep that in mind. Keep one underneath the sink. Keep one in the basement. $19.98, a $3 discount. So next up from Moen, we have their one-handle pull-down kitchen faucet. This does include the soap dispenser. Nice traditional style here. Looks very appealing. Has a spot-free stainless steel finish to it. Also fingerprint resistance. Pretty nice product. It comes with a soap dispenser, which I love, and it's a nice, beautiful look to it. Provides also a nice, powerful rinse with an aerated stream. That's great for heavy-duty cleaning. Also, it's equipped with a reflex system. Has that faucet pull-down hose, which is pretty nice. Just pull it right down, and it retracts. A one-handle lever, making it easy to adjust the water. It's on clearance. Look at that price, $90 off, only $79.98. And then next up, we have the inflatable mega bouncy house from Best Way. This is their Wonder Zone. Pretty nice bouncy house. It does include the blower, and it inflates in less than 2 minutes. That's super fast. Very nice bouncy house. It's 12 feet by 10 feet by 6 feet. And this is great for the ages of 3+. It also includes 75 play balls. You have that little play pen right next to it. Pretty nice, and it even gives you a nice repair kit and a storage bag as well. The original price was $200, on clearance for $49.98. So to my right, we have a couple of more clearance products. We have the poker table, the archery set, the axe throwing game, and the NFL football game. Let's have a look at the archery set, this time from Franklin. It's inflatable. You get the bow with 3 arrows. Pretty nice looking set. Looks a lot better in the pictures than it does here in the warehouse. Now, I am going to insert a picture so you can have a better look of what it looks like. On clearance here, $12 off, bringing the price down to $17.98. And then to my right, we have the axe throwing game. Here it is. Let me pull it out so we can see. You get 1 target. You get 3 throwing axes. Pretty nice looking set. Nowhere near as the same quality as the one at Costco. The one in Costco, you can't even compare. That one's 10 times better. But here, not bad for the price, I guess. It stands about 56 inches tall. $27.98. Only a $7 discount. And this is from MD Sports. And then below that, we have the poker table from Barrington, the same brand Costco carries. Here it is, pretty nice poker table for 4 people. I like it because it's small, it's compact. how often are you going to play poker? So that's why I like this one better, in my opinion. Half-inch thick plywood tabletop with velvet. You even get 2 decks of playing cards. You get poker chips and the tray. Everything is included in the set. Pretty nice set here. Great price. It's only $24.98. They are giving you $105 off the price. And then we do have one more game to our right from NFL. We have the 2-minute drill arcade football game. So give me 1 second to pull this box out. Unfortunately, they don't have anything on display here. A lot of this stuff is going pretty quickly. It's on clearance. Great price. The original price on this is like $130, I believe. Now check it out. Pretty nice thing here. It's an NFL official licensed product here. It looks great. Look at that price, only $37.98. That's $92 off the original price. And then to my right, I did spot one more game on clearance. This time for our hockey fans, we have the NHL 48-inch table or tabletop air hockey game. You can set it on the ground or you can use the legs that are included. Very sturdy legs. Also, this operates on power, AC power, which is awesome. All 31 NHL team push covers are also included. $40 off the price, bringing it down to $34.98. And then the best deal of the day, we have the 2-pack of tumblers here from Thermo Flask. Now these are 40-ounce tumblers. The price is amazing, 66% off. The price, you can't beat it. You can't beat this price today. Only $10 for the 2-pack, amazing. 1.2 liters, 40 ounce. Make sure if you do enjoy today's video and you like to shop at BJ's to hit the thumbs up button. That way I know whether to make another BJ's video or not. We have plenty more clearance I do want to make, so make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And a couple more items to go, friends, so hang tight. Let's get through it. If you want to see another clearance video, hit that thumbs up button. I can make another one next week. And then next, from True Innovations, we have a pretty nice sleeper chair here. It's a convertible sleeper chair. I can pull it with one finger, pull it right out. Now keep in mind they did make a little bit of mistake on the price tag. So I am going to pull this out, give you a little demonstration of what it looks like. I can pull it with one finger. It completely folds down, so the back part does fold down. I didn't do that in the video, but the backrest also folds down, so you can make it like a full mattress, which is pretty nice. For the price, you can't beat it. It's more than 50% off. It shows $239 on the price tag, but online at bjs.com, it's on clearance for $179.98. I'm not too sure what's going on with there. BJ's does make a lot of mistakes too as well, so keep that in mind when you do shop there. As I mentioned earlier, friends, you do come across items here and there at BJ's where you're kind of blown away that they're carrying. Here we have the Under Armour boots, tactical Under Armour boots. When was the last time you were at a warehouse where they sold tactical name brand Under Armour boots? Pretty nice boots here from Under Armour. Great price too, I might add. Now they're taking $20 off. They have sizes 9 through 13 here at the warehouse. $20 off at $79.98. If you have this at your local BJ's, leave a comment below. Now, shoes, watches, jewelry, they all vary from warehouse to warehouse. BJ's used to carry jewelry. I haven't seen it in a while, especially at my warehouse. If you have jewelry at your BJ's warehouse, let us know in the comments below. Alright friends, ending the video here. If you did enjoy today's video, make sure you leave a comment. Let me know you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. If you are new to the channel, I love making Costco and Amazon videos showing you the best deals every week. If you do love BJ's videos, leave a comment below. Let me know so I can continue making them. If you enjoyed this video too, I hope everybody has a happy weekend. Enjoy it. I'll see you next week, Monday, with a new video. I might do an Amazon video tomorrow, and then Monday another Costco video. We're going to do Sam's Club next week. Don't forget about that. Also, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram, friends. All right, I'll see you later. Peace.